Hi there. Welcome back to my channel, Decorating Happily Ever After. Today we're going to do a tablescape in blue and white. And I'm starting with a tablecloth. This is a pretty pattern tablecloth. It's got different shades of blue and white. I ordered this from eBay. I'm going to do some viburnums. These are blooming in my yard today, so I thought they would be pretty for springtime. I've got a pretty blue and white container that I'm going to use. Now you could set the table several different ways, but for today I'm going to use this one, but I think two would be better than one. So I'm going to do one here. I've got another blue and white container. Now this one has holes in it, so I found a liner vase that I'm going to put inside of it so that we can put flowers in it. And you could do this with any container that's not water-worthy. Also, if you've got a container and you're worried about the water staining the inside, you can always find you a vase that will fit down in. And if 2 is good, 3 is better. I think I'm going to do this large vase in the center, and that way we'll have 3 staggered arrangements. I've got lots of viburnums, and so we're just going to simply fill them in. No particular way. I've stripped the leaves down on these, so below the water line we won't have any foliage. I try to find the ones that sway and sag way down, put those in first and then kind of build upon them. I think these viburnums are a pretty contrast with the blue and white dishes and the tablecloth that I'm using today. I know my grandmother used to call them old-fashioned snowballs, but snowballs or hydrangeas tend to bloom in the fall, where these usually are bloomed around Easter in our part of the country. Okay, now that we've got our floral arrangements completed, we can start our blue and white tablescape. Today we're going to be using blue and white tablecloth, and I'm using a gold charger plate. The china is a blue and white pattern. It's a floral with pheasants. It's called Asiatic pheasant. We're going to be using blue and white today, so I'm going to do blue napkins instead of white. I always like to have more color if possible. We've got our blue and white salad plate. Using gold flatware today. I'm going to be using my cut glass knife rest. For our stemware, I've got cut glass that we're using. And finally, to fill in some of the spaces, I've got some blue and white teapots that I'm going to add in. I've got a square teapot here that I'm going to put at the back. And a little bunny rabbit that I'm going to set here at the front. One other little small touch I'm going to add are little cut glass salt cellars. You don't see them used very much these days, but I love impractical stuff. I hope you enjoyed my blue and white tablescape today. If you have, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notifications bell. I'm Jeffrey Kevin, hoping that you decorate happily ever after. Bye-bye now.